Yes, good morning. I'm gonna do some jerk pork, and you can see I'm doing it right now. This is my jerk season that I make from scratch. So I have lots of scotchy, garlic, ginger, and a little onion, and my jerk sauce. And I put my Jamaican season on it that I bring with me. So I'm marinating it up now, you can see. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend, to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do his jerk pork. You can see it from scratch. Lots of seasoning I put in it. When you taste it, delicious jerk pork. And I'm gonna do some chicken breast, leg and thigh. You know, you can see it in it differently. So this is the way I do my jerk pork. You can see it. Put my sauce on it and everything. So just run, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Aunty Clair thing. Aunty Clair. So this is the way I do it now. You can see how I do my thing. Yeah. Aunty Clair way of doing it. You know? Look how I marinate it. Look at it now. Look the color it changed. What it takes. Wow. 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 Look at it now. Look at it now. Anyone like can just touch it. On the bottom, tell a friend. If you like some, just touch it. And follow it. Follow. Look at it. Whoa. If you put them nearby and taste a piece of this jerk. Aunty Clair jerk. This is Aunty Clair jerk. A way of jerking. A Jamaican way of jerking our pork. You can see it. Jerk. Look at it. Delicious. So like it. Share it. Don't forget to touch the notice button to share, like, and subscribe to it. Subscribe, subscribe. I need it. I need it. I need it. Just give me a 500 today. Run it up, touch it up. 500 today. Also chicken gonna do. And I ready with the chicken. I just run it again. So you just like it up and give me it up there. Subscribe to it. Subscribe to it. Follow it. Follow it. Follow it. This is the way we do it, you know? Yeah. The Jamaican way. Yeah. 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 Yes. This is the way we do it, you know? You see it? Good pork. A pork with a leg. Yes. So, this is it. You know? Yeah.